I am using Wet n Wild brow powder in medium brown, or that's what I use. And as you can see, I am using ABH eyeshadow primer. I really like this eyeshadow primer. It has my eyeshadow vibrant as can be, and yeah, I really recommend this eyeshadow primer. So I'm using the NYX Ultimate Palette and Festival. I'm using that number 4 shade just to help it to define, a little bit help me define my eyeshadow crease. I am doing a half cut crease today, and I really like this palette. I'm using number 4 in that nice vibrant purple. I really like this purple. It was so easy to blend, and I really do like this. I'm using a flat fluffy brush. It's from Wet n Wild. I really do like it. Now I'm using number 6 in that darker purple. I'm just helping it to define that shade, define that crease a little bit when I'm doing the cut crease. I like a darker, really dark shade just to help with that blending. It just helps the blending of the shadows to work so beautifully. I really do like that. I really love purple, as you can see. Yeah, purple's my favorite color. Now, as you see, I am going to use this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow eye candy from BellaPierre, or Pierre, I don't know what the name of this one. Of course, I will link it down below for you guys. It's a really pretty shade. For helping with the cut crease, I am using a NYX Creme eyeshadow. I really do like this for cut crease. Using this as a cut crease just to help it easier. That's what I prefer. I'm just painting it out. It's one of my project pans that I'm using. And I'm trying to find a different eyeshadow cream like NYX. But yeah, it makes the eyeshadow so vibrant. And then I'll be using that shade. I really like this shade. It was so easy. As you can see, I was so in love with this shade as you can see, I really like this shade. I really want to try out more of this brand. So my niece actually gave it to me, so I don't know what this shade is, this one, but I really do like this shade. It was so easy, as you can see, it was so easy to pack it on, but easy to blend it out with using that flat brush. I'm using the same flat brush I used for the NYX Creme shadow. I thought it was the perfect shade for this color combo. It was so easy to add more to it. Sorry if you hear any cats. I am cats in the background. I'm using the mattifying from Mega Revolution. Like I said, my cats are a little bit arguing with each other. So that's why you're growling. I really like this primer. It mattifies my skin. Foundation. I really like this foundation in a way. It's very neutral. It's the perfect shade for me for right now. I've been using it for about 6 months now. I really do like this one. I got this at Walmart. It's affordable. I really do like it. It's easy to blend. I'm using the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Fairest. I really do like this. I do understand the hype of it. I really do like it. It's creamy. It's beautiful. It works for this underneath my eyes. I actually will pay for this. I really do like my e.l.f. camo one, but I really do like this one for its price. I am using it to help it highlight my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Of course, I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm real technique. I'm using a Hurricane Marilyn Monroe Transulent palette. I really do like this one. This one smells so good. I really love this one. It brightens up my face. It keeps my skin, my foundation, and my concealer just to last a lot longer. I really do like this. I'm just checking other parts to see what I missed or anything or needs to fix. But I am going to buff this out, take off the excess using a fluffy brush. Next thing I'm using is my Profusion Contour and Highlight Palette in number 1. I am using the lightest contour palette. I really do like this to help it contour my face. I kind of use this for bronzing too, but I use bronzers that's helped me to contour. That's what I did, whatever you want to feel like. But this was so easy to blend. I'm using the e.l.f. brush for this one. I really do like this. So, okay, I'm using ColourPop Secret Crush. It's their romantic palette collection they have. I really like this blush. It's one of my favorite, actually my very first blush from ColourPop. I really do like this one. It's a nice neutral pink. I'm using the Ofra's highlighter and Star Island. I really love this highlighter. It's like my all-time favorite from Ofra. I highly recommend it. Has that nice golden neutral highlight. I think will work for lighter skin tones like mine and medium skin tones. Your darker skin tone, this might work for you guys. I'm using a more spray. Is it natural? I really do like it. So it does set my face. Now I'm using that Lash shade in the black. I really do like this black. So I'm using this on my eyelash line. My lash line, and then I'm going to wing it out, and it's going to connect to wing it out and go into the crease. You'll see what I'm talking about. Now I'm using NYX Epic Wear liner, one of the bright, I believe. I really do like this. Okay, it's in the shade, yeah, it's a Vivid Blunt, Vivid Bright eyeliner. It's in the shade Shine, we're the ones that word, yeah. Yeah, I'm using Elf Lash It Lab Mascara. This has actually been my favorite drugstore mascara lately. And I'm using BH lip liner in Earth. I really do like this one. Just I hope that supports my guidelines, and also that's what I use lip liners for, just mostly for my guidelines. Then I'm using the Profusion's lip matte lip cream, and I think it's Secret. I don't for sure it is because I don't have it right next to me. But of course, like I said, it will be linked down below. Actually, my favorite mattes. The video and everything else. Hit the like button if you do. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Makeup Addict family. And of course, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the new videos. I really do like this look. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you're at, and God bless.